Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your name on Monopoly Go in just a few easy steps. Whether you want a fresh new name or need to fix some mistake, I've got you covered. The process is super simple, so let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go app on your phone. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Once you are in the menu, you'll see your username displayed below your profile picture. This is the name other players will see when they interact with you in the game. To change your username, tap on the profile picture, then tap on the pencil icon next to your name. A pop-up will appear with the option to change name. Type in your new name in the field and tap submit. And just like that, your new name is set. You can only change your name 3 times, so choose wisely. And that's it. Now you know how to change your name on Monopoly Go in just a few taps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Monopoly Go tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.